We are proud to announce that we finally made it to NPE 2024. National Gear was exhibiting back in 2020, but due to the pandemic, NPE pushed back to 2024. We are now doing our exhibiting here in the South Hall, offering our services. National Gear now has 3 strategic repair centers throughout the United States: California, Illinois, and Tampa. These locations are factory certified and can handle any emergency rush gearbox repair. Not to mention that these 3 locations do their own gear manufacturing in order for any emergency rush repair and keep a large inventory of spares parts in stock. A lot of Timken thrust bearings, Enon tandem thrust bearings, input pinions, output shafts and gears, and so forth. National Gear Repair is a comprehensive remanufacturing center. Any repairs that you might have, please feel free to contact us, as we offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. And all our work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup. So we'd love to hear some feedback, any questions, any concerns you might have. We'd love to interact with our clients and potential clients. Please feel free to stop by our booth here. Again, South Hall at the Orlando Convention Center. You can look for us in aisle 13,000. Our booth number here is 12039. Thank you again for watching. We'd love to hear from you all.